Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone. So today, it's been a week since I got these succulents. Some of these I've planted in a decorative pot for succulents, and this one here I actually prop it all here, but because I just wanted this one to root and to see if no one is gonna get root rot. So if you can see, all of this has a root already. This one is not so visible yet, but it has a little roots there. But I'll show you this one here. Look how vigorous that roots are. Yes, all of them are doing so gorgeous. And look, this has babies already. When I got this, they are still closed, but now it's getting to pop, and those pops are going crazy too. And look, this one here. Look how nice the roots are. See? So that's why I decided now to put this in this pot in a proper way. And I have this one, this little terracotta pot got broken because it has a succulent here actually, but I grow, like, as you know, I grow my succulents outside. So I think if it's not possum, it's raccoon that bump my my succulents at the other side. This is not the only side where I put succulents. My little pots, I normally put them at right next to our door, so that's where I put this one. And I think animals came over and decided to look around all over my plants, and boom, they knock it off. So I'm just gonna use this one. It's still usable, so I'm just gonna use this to decorate my succulents arrangement, and I'm gonna put this right here. So if you have a broken pots and you grow succulents, you might want to save it for later use. And I am just gonna use this here, put that there, and put a little more soil there. That way my succulent don't go under there. And do this way, like so. Tap a little bit. Yeah, I already pre-put this soil here, that way I don't mess with it anymore because the wind is blowing so hard outside. I'm so glad we have a good weather again. Isn't it so nice? Now that I've flattened that, I am just going to put this big one at the middle, like so. That's how I did it. And then this one is this side. There you go. Alright, so just put all of this little baby here. Yeah, these are babies of, I don't know, but they're all different ones. But I wanted to put this there. Alright. And let's put this right here. Uh-oh. Maybe here. Let's just put this one right here. Can you see it? Yep. I'm just gonna do it reverse, in reverse mode. Alright. It's gonna be so nice whenever all of them are already growing. I love this color. It's burgundy. I actually love burgundy color. I love bright colors as well, but I also love light colors. And the combinations of the colors is just so awesome. I like it. Look at the roots here. It's so wonderful. They're just doing so gorgeous. The wind is kicking again. Uh-oh. I messed that up. The soil is kind of damp, so I'm not going to water it because I don't want to create root rot with my babies here. I am just gonna let them grow like what they're doing. Oh, I think that's not good there, so let's put this one here. And we have a little bit of ones. Let's put that there. This one here is kind of weak, but let's just give it a chance to grow. It might grow good too. Alright, this little bitty one is kind of tricky to plant, but it's really growing. See that root there? There's a little root there. If you can see that one there. There's another one here, so it's growing so nice. I am just so in love with these cuttings. Okay, let's put this somewhere. Maybe here. Alright, we're almost done. There we go, last one. Alright, so I am going to dress it with let's see. Yeah, there's nothing there anymore. Okay. And I have this one. This is a river pebbles. My son gave this to me. He actually gave me one sack of it. So this is just a few of it. I've been using it with my other projects actually. I just thought it's gonna be so nice there. Instead of using my decorative pebbles, I'm just gonna use this one because I am using a white pot. I love white pots actually. It's just sometimes it don't work with the other colors, so that's why I have a lot. I also like terracotta color. Terracotta is like this. Those are awesome. Alright. Can't wait for this to grow nicely and vigorously here. Alright, I am just going to, let's see if I have something to use here. Okay. Okay. I'm going to use this tag to put some here. Just do this way. Oh no. Okay. All right. There you go. Oops. All right, let's see here. It's so cute, actually. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, so these succulents, it can tolerate down to negative 30 Fahrenheit. So I'm just going to put this outside. I mean, out here. I'm just gonna grow this out here. But I am going to put this somewhere here, I guess. Somewhere here. But we'll see. Right now, because I just planted it, I am going to put it right next where I put those ones like these, because I don't want it to get hurt, and I hope those animals don't came over to knock it down again. Yes, that's the negative sides of having to grow your plants outside, because you have to deal with the animals and sometimes insects. But hey, it's so nice to grow them out here, especially when you see the colors, the different colors when they grow. Oh, it's so nice. So that's all for today's video, friends. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and Team Pretties, thank you so much for your support in my channel and for always being there with me. And of course, Team Moray, thank you so much. That's all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.